ang sasagutin ko. I almost flunked the bar. That's right, because I fell in love.
Really?
Yes.
Ano,
Anyway,
you are admitting that you did almost fail the bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
I never denied it. I never passed myself off as
That
topping
you
the bar.
topped the bar.
That's right.
Okay.
What I'm saying is I passed the bar.
Because people
Did not top the bar.
Okay.
Oh, ano ngayon ang reklamo niya? Bakit I did not top, tungkol sa I did not top the bar? Bakit?
you
Ano?
fell in love then.
No, not only that, because I wanted to go on a scholarship to Russia, which at that
Okay.
time was unexplored territory.
All right.
And my father said, no, the bar is more important, take it. So that was my form of rebellion against my father.
I see. You didn't study for the bar.
Well, I studied, but also I found the questions just completely unintelligible. Anong pinagtatanong nito? What is this guy thinking
Okay,
of?
but very quickly, I want to go to you falling in
At
love
meron-
before the quick break.
At meron tayong magna cum laude, ha? Sa UP College of Law. Hindi rin niya na-top ang bar. Si Recto, I think, didn't top the bar, didn't even pass the bar. So why single me out?
Really, Senator Recto?
No,
No,
the
another person.
Claro Recto.
Oh, Claro M. Recto.
Yeah, the national hero.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, very quickly, so how badly...
Kung hindi ba malisyoso yung taong yun, bakit pati yun isasama niya sa debate? Ang debate dito ay tungkol sa 2 million na niregalo niya sa mga senador. Bakit nadalhin niya kung saan-saan? I'm very familiar with that because I was best debater in the UP College of Law.
Okay.